Hello my friends, Natasha with Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner, and today I'm coming to you with a finished project. This is my thrift find altered Christmas boho Christmas tree. I was going for Mackenzie's Child style. So I was taking the pictures alone while I was working and took the pictures of all the supplies that I used. So when I was thrifting last time, I found that cone lighted up Christmas tree, and it's a straw Christmas tree right there. You see, and the lights were already installed. It was like $2, okay? So, and then I started to think what theme I would like it to be. And I decided that I really like boho and Mackenzie's Child style. So I picked up at everything is Hobby Lobby. So you can see this particular ribbon, it's two-sided, you know, one of the stretchy one. I used the whole spool of it. Then this is the trim from NSK, but you can buy it at Hobby Lobby, so it doesn't matter. This trim, of course, this is the Hobby Lobby, and this beaded trim is Hobby Lobby. And this gorgeous roses, oh my goodness. I was trying to go with the 3 sizes, but they did not have. One of the Facebook group, I will pop the link below to that group. It's the boho style. And when I showed them picture of empty tree, we were doing the group discussion, and thank you ladies very much. Sorry for the noise. So they gave me a bunch of wonderful suggestions, and someone suggested that I need to have flowers starting from the bigger ones and coming smaller to the top, so which I was trying to execute. Okay, so basically what I did, I picked up several stems in 3 colors. This turquoise, this kind of like vintagey rose, and more burgundy rose in here, in 2 sizes. They had only in 2 sizes, and everything was on sale. All the beaded trims, the roses, everything was 50% off. It had to be. This was a sign, and I actually dragged my tree with me to the Hobby Lobby. So basically what I did, I lined up the strings first, the beaded strings, and I wrapped them a spiral all the way up. And for the top, I used this dangle flourishes, which I picked up in similar colors. I absolutely love it. So I don't know how much I can have that light staying on because it's a straw. Those are LED, those are cold, so they are great. So and then I picked up the roses and everything was fine, and then I was like, why am I not using the leaves? And tucking the leaves here and there became really a great filler. And I cannot turn it all the way for you guys because the electrical cord would not allow it. Okay, so and I Actually put more flourishes in here, leaves, to cover the cord and the end of the bead string. Okay. I think it came out absolutely magnificent. I'm so pleased. It took me maybe an hour after I figure out what am I doing. So here it is, from the top to the bottom, and it's big, so I could not record it. So I was taking pictures here and there. Let me go around the table. I got everything underneath of my feet here. Isn't that beautiful? I cannot believe it came out so gorgeous. Oh, so thank you so much for, I can't think of the name of the group, Boho something. I will pop the link below. A very friendly community. Please come and join if you like boho style. Yeah, the owner of the group, she sells the fabric kits, so please join. You need to be on a waiting list. It's all amazing. So, and that's it, I guess, right? I hope you like my, it's all year round. It's gonna be standing here all year around. And sorry for the shaky video. If it's shaky, I'm trying to be stable. I will turn on the stabilizer for you. So yeah. Oops, the other way. I am very pleased with this thingy-majiggy. Came out absolutely adorable. So that's it, I guess. That's my last project from this location. And I'll talk to you later. Stay tuned for the pictures. Bye bye.